How challenging is it to take hostel ISQ measurement? Does it take a lot of additional chair time to record an ISQ? Absolutely not. It just takes a few seconds. Your assistant, your staff just need to prepare the case on the computer, so whether on the browser, if you go to hostelconnect.com, or if you have, just like me, a separate device, a standalone device, where it just works like an iPad, and you just enter all the basic information of the patient. And so right after that, well, there's just a PIN code to compose, and click on the patient name, click on the tooth. Then you merely have to screw the peg on the implants very gently. No need to force. You just need to be stable inside the implant. And again, please don't do any ISQ if your initial stability isn't good enough. I mean, if the torque is very low, it's not necessary to do the ISQ, because what can happen is if you try to unscrew the peg, then you can unscrew also the implants. So if you have a very low torque, don't use ISQ, it's not necessary, but you can't at least use ISQ for following up that implant months after months. So no really additional chair time, no significant chair time, just I would say maybe 2 minutes.